morning. Wait lang, I'm gonna drop a link to a Spotify. I wanna let you go. Request please. Before your request, guys, I'm gonna say one of everyday request of my Ate Mat. Everyday request no. Like I got when I mean every day when I see her, I'm gonna sing it. So I'm gonna sing this one. Hello, it's me, Roger. Baby Musa, good morning. How's your day? How's your day and every day? Buyoy pa din. Sino may birthday? Sino may mga birthday dyan? Who has a birthday now? Later. Can you tell me who? And I'm gonna sing a happy birthday song. Sure. Happy birthday, may to you. Ano na bunso? Bunso? Hello, it's me, Rojan. I will always love you. I will always need you. Every day I need you. Every day I love you. Happy birthday to me. Nabaliw na naman. Sino ba yung makantahin ko? Pati pa naman yung makantahin ko nawala. Ano ba yan? Ang sarap yung baliwan. Hello? It's me. Where are you, me? Payment. Version. E. Ano ba gusto mo? E? Nasa bahang. Ano bahang? Yes. Ay, lupa na to. Ang tagal na nito. 3 years na rin to. Punta kasi dito. Atiman! This is for you. A song that I wanted to... What is? To sing every day. I tell every birthday. Me too. Wait lang. I have everyday birthday, every minute, every second. That's why I'm very expensive. But my age still 28. Everyday birthday, but my age still stuck on 28. Kuya, are you listening to me or you're not listening to me? Ate Ma, this is for you. I love you, ate. This is for you. Wait, ano ba? Marami na ako lalagyan dito. Nakatipis siya. Yes, it's fixed at 28 years old. With you inside my room, my dreams have been words 1,000 times. Sometimes see that some other it's me you're looking for. I can see in your eyes, I can see in your smile. You're all I ever wanted. My arms are open wide. You still know just what to say, and you know just what to do. And I want to tell you so much. I love you.